Industrial maintenance today is slow, risky, and poorly documented. Technicians rely on manual inspections, scattered manuals, and personal experiences. This leads to delays, safety risk, and limited accountability. FieldFix AI brings verified, auditable AI reasoning directly into this workflow. So let's start with a real equipment failure using a built-in demo scenario. FieldFix uses Gemini Multimodal's vision capability to analyze real equipment photos in seconds. So here you can see vision extract the model used and processing latency. This converts raw images into structured technical insights. Based on this visual analysis, the knowledge base FieldFix generate a complete repair plan. So overview includes verified citations, automated validations, and this ensures each recommendation is grounded and documented source. And FieldFix automatically identifies hazard, required protective equipments, and mandatory pre-steps. If the requirement is not met, the system blocks progress, and unsafe plans never pass. The AI reasoning is fully traceable, and the panel evidence panel. So if you see the evidence panel, and each test analysis logged and validated, and this create transparency and accountability for every decision. FieldFix also measures the real impact. Then the metrics tab, if you can see here, you can see the little bit detail more, and you can see the efficiency is 19.5%. So diagnosis, planning, and time is reduced from the 30 to minutes, 35 minutes to very less, and that's more than 98.5%, and this translates directly into faster repairs and reduced downtime. Every session can be exported as a complete audit bundle. So you can also see the evidence pack. It will be downloaded and it will be in a JSON format. It includes images, plans, citations, safety checks, everything. So let's go to the next one. So permanent verifiable record repair process that you saw. FieldFix demonstrates how Gemini can power trustworthy, accountable, production-ready industrial system, and there are some many other things like full plan would be there, like what are the things needs to be done, and citations also has a little bit more details what's needs to be done in certain situations. And in case of safety check failed, you can see safety concerns must be addressed before proceeding, identify hazards, required pre-steps, and required PPE. Those things are also mentioned. And in the work order, it will also show required parts, capacitor, and electrical wire connectors, and estimated time 170 minutes it will take. And quality gate analysis also, it will check how the quality is. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.